Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, the leader of the class, please lead your friend to pray. Saman wa ta'an. Labbaik. Ajal. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya, thank you Fatma. How are you today? Okay, I'm doing well, thanks. Who is absent today? Okay, Nanda, Kinan, Azri ya, Sofi. Okay, 3 students absent today. Okay. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain amma ba'd. Well, 9B ya, 9B. Hari ini kita akan melanjutkan materi selanjutnya ya, setelah kemarin belajar tentang past tense ya. Hari ini kita akan belajar materi baru ya, unit baru. Before that, I would like to show you some pictures ya. Can you see it? Yes. What do you think of picture 1? Timun emas. Okay. How do you know? How do you know it is timun emas? Oh, ada giantnya ya, buto ijo. We call it as buto ijo. Okay, good. And then how about the second picture? Turtle and rabbit. Naila, how do you know Naila?
Because turtle in rabbit is like in Upin Ipin.
Like in Upin Ipin. Okay, yeah.
Patient and the rabbit is arrogant.
Awesome. Okay, kalian taunya dari Upin Ipin ya? Ada ya cerita ini ya? Okay, good. Ya. Yeah. How about the third picture? Snow White. How do you know? Have you ever read this story? Yes. Okay. Bagaimana ceritanya? What do you think about the story?
Princess got poisoned by
An apple. Okay. The princess got poisoned by by eating an apple ya. Okay. Good. Then what do you think about the story? The first story. It is fun or sad story? Sad story. Okay. The second one? Fun. The third? Sad. But at the end, what happened? Happy. Yeah, happy ending ya. Okay. Then now, have you ever read another example of those kind of story? Pernah membaca cerita lainnya? Apa? What is that? Sleeping Beauty. Okay. Another? Malin Kundang. Okay, very good. Kalau Sleeping Beauty dari Indonesia or another country? Another country. If Malin Kundang comes from Indonesian story. Okay, good ya. And then can you find the differences of those stories? Perbedaannya apa? Dari cerita 1, 2, 3. Kalau yang pertama tentang apa ini? It's about human, right? Yeah, story. Real or not real? Not real, ya. Okay, it's about fictive story ya. And then how about the second? Animal. Nah, kalau ceritanya animal, ini nanti ada sebutannya sendiri ya. Nanti kita bahas lebih dalam. Kemudian yang ketiga, the third? It's about, ada peri-perinya nggak? Ada ya, ya fairy tale ya. Ini fairy tale. Okay, good. So far so good. Okay, now let's move. Now, what actually we are going to learn today? Yeah, from the picture, from your experience in reading story, what we are going to learn today? Naratif, ya naratif ya, cerita nanti ya. And then here some learning objective ya. We are going to divide into 2 meets ya. Akan Ustazah bagi menjadi 2 pertemuan. Yang pertama di sini you can analyze the general knowledge of narrative text ya, pengetahuan umum dari narrative text. Biasanya kalau kalian sudah membaca pasti dapat sesuatu dari bacaan itu kan ya? Ya. Sekalipun itu cerita, walaupun tadi ceritanya kan not real ya, fiktif ya, tidak nyata di kehidupan sehari-hari, tapi pasti ada sesuatu yang positif, ya enggak? Iya. Kayak tadi Malin Kundang ya, pernah baca Malin Kundang. Apa yang kamu pernah tangkap dari Malin Kundang?
Anak yang durhaka.
Anak yang durhaka. Jadi hikmahnya apa? What's the good thing?
Tidak boleh durhaka kepada orang tua.
Iya, we can't. Iya, to be durhaka ya. We have to obey our parents, ya kan? Iya, okay, good. And then later on, you also can compare about the social function, language feature, and language structure. What is this about? Ya, social function, ya fungsinya, fungsi sosialnya kayak tadi Malin Kundang, fungsi sosialnya berarti menceritakan kedurhakaan anak kepada orang tua, ya kan? Dimana kita tidak boleh mengikuti perbuatan itu kan? Nah, ya terus language feature berarti tata bahasa yang dipakai di teks itu apa? Ya, biasanya nanti ya kita bahas language feature. Ini terkait bahasa yang digunakan. Tensisnya apa? Kelas 9 pasti udah mahir tensis ya? Iya. Language structure. Jadi nanti atau struktur teksnya. Di sebuah naratif teks nanti ada elemen-elemen. Paragraf pertama itu apa namanya, paragraf kedua, ketiga, dan seterusnya. Gitu ya. Terus you can decide the implied message of narrative text. Imply pesan tersirat. Ya, tersirat ya. Kemudian you can rearrange the jumbled paragraph into good narrative. Jadi nanti ada jumble text and then you have to make or rearrange with your group ya, later on. Okay, so far so good. Yes. Then by learning narrative text, actually what is the use, manfaat kalian mempelajari teks itu apa? Raise your hand. Siapa mau? CV maybe? Manfaat belajar naratif kalian kalau membaca teks-teks seperti itu, cerita itu manfaatnya apa sih? Di kehidupan kalian ada nggak manfaatnya? Ada. What is that?
We can take moral story.
Okay, you can take moral value. Okay, moral story of the story. Okay, good. Jadi bisa direflektifkan ke kehidupan kita ya. Nah, baik nggak seperti itu? Ya, kemudian pasti dapat pengetahuan baru kan? Yeah. Okay, good. Now, I want you to make a group ya. One group consists of 5 students ya. But I need your help. Each student should take one piece of this paper ya. And then you have to gather. Kalian berkumpul dengan the same color ya. In this paper actually there is a color ya. And then you gather with the same color, and then those colors will be your group. Do you understand? Yes. Okay, make it fast. Come on. Maybe from CV. You, Mutia, you stand up. Come here. Okay. One student, one. Okay, one by one. All right. Yeah. One by one. Okay. Ya. Have you got the paper?
Ya.
Sudah semua?
Ya.
Okay. Now you look the paper and then what color are at the back ya. Nah, at the back of your paper there is color ya. Actually this is the clue. Please find your same color. Go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yellow, mid yellow, pink and pink, green and green.
Kuning. Merah, merah, merah.
Yellow, find yellow color. Okay, and then you make a yellow color on that side. Yellow color that side. Bagian sana warna kuning sebelah sana. And then this one green color, green one here. And then pink, brown. Yeah, brown at that side. And then here is blue, and the other one is red one. Okay, yuk make it fast. Okay, ya, don't lose your paper ya. Jangan sampai hilang kertasnya. Nanti untuk tugas berikutnya. You may put on the drawer. All right. Ya. Okay, because some of your friends didn't come to this class today. Yeah, here still how many? 3 ya, 3 parts of the story, and I would like to deliver to your group ya, because this is full story of your story ya. Pink one, pink group. Where is pink group? Okay. Yeah. Okay, now put aside. Ditaruh sebelah mana dulu ya? Disisihkan dulu kertasnya. Nanti kita diskusikan setelah kalian mendapatkan LKPD ya. Biar kalian paham dulu materinya. Oke.
Bukan maksudnya. Bukan.
Nah, now look at the case below. Sorry, here. I mean ya. Look at the whiteboard, and then one of you please read about the case or the problem here. Masalah di sini. Please read, one of you. Baca. Salah satu. Okay. Hawanda, where is Hawanda? Would you like to read for us louder ya? If you can't say it clearly, you may come forward. Okay, it's gone. Loading ya, Wak. Wait, Wak. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Read louder, Wak.
Look at the case below. Our school is going to celebrate its anniversary next week. In this event, there will be an exhibition about kinds of stories.
Okay, now, do you understand what is the problem there?
So the school is going to celebrate their anniversary next week, and they have an exhibition about kinds of stories.
Alright.
Maybe narrative
Jadi
stories.
our school ya, sekolah kita akan menyelenggarakan anniversary ya, and then there is an event ya, ada kegiatan apa ini? Story exhibition ya, pertunjukan story, cerita. Nah, thank you Hawa. Ya, from this case, dari problem ini, dari masalah ini, kira-kira ya, jikalau, if you have to join the event ya, pastinya ya kalian terlibat untuk merayakan anniversary sekolah kan. Nah, you have to join the event. What story will you show? Kira-kira cerita jenis apa, cerita seperti apa yang ingin kalian tampilkan? Naratif. Yang lain? Cerita naratif ya. How about the others? Any other opinion? Ada pendapat lain? Malin kundang ya, oke. Naratif, malin kundang, oke, good. It's the same ya, story ya. Naratif story, oke. What else? Berarti nanti naratif itu kan memang jenisnya banyak ya. Hawa menyebutkan malin kundang. Terus yang lain? Apa? Fiction. Ya, oke. Boleh ya. And then what are the language feature of your story? Language feature-nya seperti apa? Past tense. Oke, very good ya. Pakai past tense. Kalau ciri-ciri kalimat past tense sih apa ya? Pakai apa ya? Verb to. Oke. Terus keterangan waktunya bagaimana? Lampau. For example? Yesterday. And then? Last night. Last year. Last month. What else? Last week ya, long time ago ya kan? Ya, oke, good. And then what is the social function of the story? Fungsi sosialnya untuk apa? Biasanya naratif teks itu untuk apa sih? Fungsi utamanya apa? Menghibur ya. What is menghibur in English? To entertain ya. Entertain who? Menghibur siapa? Other people. Oke, good. The reader ya, yang bacanya biar terhibur. Oke, you are great. Oke, ya. Now let's jump to the next part. Nah, okay, I want to show you a video. Look at the video. Maybe some of you know about this boy. Okay, wait a moment. Okay. Enjoy the video.
Hello, brother and sister. How are you there? I, Sarah Kasabagari from Kolkata, and now I'm going to deliver you a story entitled Timon Amas. Have you ever heard the story? No? Okay, let's check it out. It was a long time ago. There lived an old woman named Moksirani. She always by herself because her husband had long passed away and she had no children. And every day she prayed to God to give her a child. Oh my God, please give me a child to take care of me. Please answer my prayer. Amen. Then one night when she was praying suddenly a giant named Puto Icho passed her house and heard her prayer. I can give you what you want. I will give you what you want, but on one condition, you must give the child back to me when it is 6 years old. Now plant these seeds around your house. Are you sure, Roger? Thank you so much. Then, the next morning, Moxie spread the seeds around her house. The seeds grew within several days and blossomed plentifully. Not long after that, a big golden cucumber grew within the plants. In a hurry, Moxie plucked the golden cucumber and carried it home carefully. This cucumber is so heavy. Where's the knife? Here it is. Oh, you're beautiful. I love you. Timumas. Yeah, I love you. Then years passed by and Timumas had grew to a lovely and beautiful little girl. She was also very smart and kind. Moxie loved her so much, but she kept on thinking about the time Butojo would take Timumas away from her. What should I do? I don't be able to take her back. What should I do? Then, one night, Moxie had a dream. The next morning, Moxie told Timumas about the dream. She told Timumas to meet the holy man in Mount Kundu because he would give her 4 important stuff that could protect her from Puto Icho. So then, Timumas went to Mount Kundu and there she met the holy man. And then, he gave her the 4 important stuff. Then, a few days later, Puto Icho came to see Moxie about her promise. Moxie, now give her to me. Oh, please don't take her away, please. What do you mean? Don't break your promise. Then, Timumas rushed through the back door and ran away up the house. But, unfortunately, Puto saw her escaping and chased her. Oh no, hide the bags. Here goes the first one. Whoa, it turned into a cucumber field. Alright, I better be going. Whoa, cucumber. So fresh and yummy. Hey, I'll get you. Oh no, it didn't work. Alright, let's try the second one. Wow, it turned into a bamboo tree. Alright, hopefully that might slow him down. Damn you! You think you can escape? Oh no! I'll get you! Oh no, I will use half of the bags. Alright, here goes the third one. You think an ocean can stop me? No, I'll get you. Oh no, I really have to run now. What should I do? Please help me. Hopefully this can stop him. What are these now? Help! Help! And friends, finally, Butojo had died and...
About the video. Videonya tadi bagaimana? Funny, ya, so funny. Terus, the content of the story he delivered. Siapa tadi yang menceritakan? Syafiq ya. Oke. What did Syafiq tell in the story? Timun emas ya. Then at the beginning ya, di bagian awal tadi Syafiq menyampaikan apa? Ada satu kata apa? Kata kunci di paragraf pertama naratif teks pasti ya seperti itu. Good. Once upon the time ya. Itulah kata kunci pertama dari naratif teks. Keterangan waktunya, language feature-nya once upon the time ya. Can you see here? No ya. If no, then I would like to deliver the text for you. Ya, help me to move to share to your other group ya. Ya. To make it fast. Okay, I think enough. And then here also, please share to the other group first. Yeah. Yeah, one student, one paper ya, one LKPD. Alright. Okay. Here you are. Then, have you got the paper all? Sudah dapat semua ya? Okay, you need 2 more. Alright. Yeah. The text here is like on your text ya. Seperti di lembar yang sudah kalian terima tadi. This text is the content of the video just now you show ya. Yang sudah kalian saksikan tadi. Ini teksnya tentang siapa tadi ya, Hawanda? Timun emas, the golden cucumber. Tadi yang paragraf pertama, ciri khas. Yes, Farisa, what happened? Alright, now back to your text. Ciri khususnya tadi apa ya, Mbak Farisa? Once upon the time, good ya. Berarti kalau ada once upon the time, it must be for the first paragraph. Okay, good. And then after that, tadi di video tadi ya, Mas Syafiq tell about problemnya. What problem? What's problem in that story? Yeah, the woman, the old woman, yeah, asked for a child, yeah, and then after that, the giant came and gave her a seed of cucumber. Yeah, okay. Then the woman planted and grew. Then there was big cucumber, yeah. And then after that, berarti itu nanti paragraf berikutnya ya, tentang konfliknya seperti apa ya. Terus setelah konflik tadi ada solution, dari solution, right? Ya, solusinya tadi apa ya? Buto ijo dikasih timun emas ya. Timun emasnya diberi apa? For seeds ya, for stuffs, for things. Okay. And then to apa? 4 things tadi digunakan untuk apa? Ya, to fight the buto ijo ya, the giant. And then after that, did timun emas win? Menang nggak timun emasnya? Menang ya. And then, nah itu sudah masuk ke anti klimaks ya, sudah mau solution ya. Terus setelah itu, the last paragraph, can you see? Ya, read by Anindita, sorry. The last paragraph.
Then he was drowning and died. Timun emas then immediately went home. The farmers were so happy that they finally get together.
Alright. Then in that story, finally buto ijo died ya. Okay, drowning and died. Tadi drown in Tenggelam di mana tadi? Iya, in the mud ya. Oke, good. Then they live happily ever after, ya kan? Timun Emas dan siapa tadi? Mbok Rondonya ya. Mbok Sirni ya. Oke, ingat betul ya, Mbok Sirninya can live happily ever after. Oke. That's about Timun Mas story. And then now you have already LKPD, but before you do the LKPD, do you have question so far? No? Okay. Now before you do it, to make it easier for you, I would like you to compare about Timun Emas story and this story. What is this? On your second page, the hare and the tortoise. You compare, bandingkan dulu. Ya, teks yang tadi dengan teks yang ini. What do you think? Is this the same story? No. Yang pertama tadi tentang apa? Timun Mas ya, cerita ya, cerita apa itu? Fiktif ya. Kalau yang ini cerita tentang apa?
Kelinci sama
Iya, what is kelinci? And rabbit. Yeah, I know. What is rabbit and tortoise? What they are belonging to? Animal. Yes, that's what I mean. Animal. Yang tadi kan cerita fiktif ya. Kalau yang ini kan cerita fiktif about animals ya. Okay, good. Anyone wants to tell me about the language feature? Is this the same with the previous story? Sama nggak language feature-nya? Bahasanya sama nggak? Same. Use apa? Past tense. Okay, good. Berarti sama ya. Okay. And then structure teksnya, is this same with the previous one? Penyusun teksnya sama tidak? Dari paragraf pertama tadi ada long time ago, once upon a time, same? Okay, same. How about the value, moral value, same or not? No. Nah, berarti the narrative text mostly same language feature. Kebanyakan punya language feature yang sama, pakai past tense semua ya. Terus penyusun teksnya juga sama, tapi moral value-nya beda, ada perbedaan. Walaupun social function utamanya adalah untuk entertain, to entertain, tapi ada maksud tujuan lain. Moral value yang bisa kita dapat beda-beda ya. Oke, clear? Clear. Oke, now you have 10 minutes to do your LKPD. Yuk, make it fast. You have to write down the answer under the question ya. For example, number 1, what kind of narrative text is that? Nah, tadi cerita naratif tentang apa itu yang ada di LKPD kalian? Ya, oke. Ya, look at the whiteboard ya. This is kind of narrative text. Ya. Can you see it? The first one, there is fairy tale ya, atau cerita khayalan, cerita berperi kayak tadi Cinderella, Snow White ya. Nah, folk tale or folklore, cerita rakyat. So many folklore ya in Indonesia or in other country ya. Nah, ini berarti masuk kategori yang mana tuh? Cerita yang ada di halaman pertama ya. Question number 1. What kind of narrative text is that ya? Legend berarti cerita legenda ya. Kalau di Indonesia contohnya apa? Prambanan, Prambanan Temple ya. Oke, mitos. What about myths? Ya biasanya ada jini-jininya. Prambanan Temple juga masuk ya. Ada mistisnya ya. Terus science fiction, imajinatif dengan menggunakan teknologi. Kalau di televisi kalian tahu The Rico?
Tahu.
Iya, itu kind of science fiction of narrative ya. Fable, it's about animal story ya. Okay, good. And then history, sejarah about sejarah ya. And then slice of life, ini potongan kehidupan someone, maybe potongan kehidupan kalian ya, dulunya bagaimana ya. Ya, bisa diceritakan ya. Oke, now your time left 8 minutes ya, 8 menit lagi untuk mengerjakan LKPD. Yo, if you have question, ya just feel free to ask me or ask to your members group. Okay, you may discuss with your member, yeah. Or you also can use dictionary if you still don't know what is the meaning of this kind of words. Okay, good. Ya, jadi fungsi grupnya kalau ada kosakata yang belum kalian ketahui, belum kalian tahu artinya, boleh tanya ke grupnya ya. Ya, silahkan diskusi dengan grupnya. Atau kalian punya pendapat, ini sih kira-kira jawabannya apa ya? Nah, boleh. Have you finished? Not yet. Okay, you write down under the question here ya. Di bawah pertanyaan jawabannya sini ya. Okay. Have you finished? Sudah selesai?
Yes.
Not yet. Okay. Kinan, have you finished? Not yet, Salva. Okay, that is kind of popular. Okay. Yeah. Shifi, have you finished? Not yet. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. You may discuss to your friend. Number 3.
Itu kayak bandingin bahasa Indonesia apa ya?
Bandingin. Ya pakai bahasa Inggris kalau pakai bahasa Indonesia. Compare what? Compare.
Struktur teks,
Struktur teksnya ya.
isi moral sama
What question? What number?
number 2.
Number 3, compare the language feature. Nah, bandingkan language feature-nya. Bahasa yang digunakan ya, language feature. Social function, tujuan ya, fungsi sosialnya tadi untuk apa? Terus teks penyusunnya bagaimana? Sama atau tidak? Kalau sama apa aja? Yang pertama disebut paragraf apa? Tadi ya. Terus paragraf berikutnya sampai paragraf terakhir sama atau tidak dengan yang cerita sebelumnya. Itu maksud pertanyaan nomor 3. And the beginner of the problem ya. Terus konflik, more complex problemnya ya. Terus climax and anti-climax ya. The top of the conflict, puncaknya masalah, kemudian mulai ada solusi di sana ya. Resolution, kesimpulan dari cerita tadi. Nah ya. Terus reorientation biasanya ini bisa ada bisa tidak, bisa terdiri dari moral value yang disampaikan. Reorientationnya sorry. Kalau resolutionnya berarti then finally they live happily ever after, seperti itu contohnya. Have you finished? No? How many numbers left? One number left. Okay. Pinky group, how many number left? Pinky group mana? Iya, 2. Okay. Yellow, 2. Brown, hello brown group, how many numbers left? 2 numbers. Okay, and then green. Green sana ya. This one? Blue. How many number left? 1. Okay, and then red group. How many number left? 2. Okay, yo, make it fast. You only have 2 minutes left. 2 menit lagi kita akan bahas. Okay. Remember to put your name ya on your LKPD. Write down your name and your class 9B ya. Name, for example, Siti, class 9B ya. Finish ya? Let's discuss. Selesai? Ya, oke, good. Number 1. Yuk, tepuk 1. Tepuk 1. Tepuk 1. Tepuk 1. Tepuk 2. Everybody stop writing ya. Now, it's time for discussing the LKPD. Number 1. Who wants to read number 1? Group yellow. Yo, yellow group. Number 1. Read bareng-bareng, together. Yeah, read the question and then your answer. 1, 2, 3.
What kind of narrative text is that?
Your answer is?
That is kind of folklore story.
Kind of folklore. Ya, Timun Mas is kind of folklore. Okay, good. The other group, you have the same answer? Yeah. Brown? Same? And then red? Same. Okay, green? Same ya. Okay, good. Pink? Yellow? Yellow. Ini apa ya? Udah. Pink ya? Blue. Oh ya, blue. Sorry, blue. Same ya. Okay, folklore. Number 2. Whose group want to read number 2? Okay, ya. Blue group. Okay. Now read together the question and the answer. 1, 2, 3. Action.
What is the moral value of the text above?
Okay, the moral value you get from the text.
We should ask help to God, not to others.
We should
Ask help to God.
Okay, ask hope to God. Okay, berharap hanya kepada Allah ya. Okay, how about the other groups? Same? Same ya, intinya sama ya, hanya kepada Allah kita berharap. Okay. Number 3, whose group? Yellow group? Yellow group sudah. Brown? You want to try? Yeah, brown group, please. Answer number 3. You read the question and read it louder. 1, 2, 3.
Compare the language features, social function, and the text structure of the text.
Okay, how about the language feature? Same?
Yes.
Same, yeah, okay. Use apa? Yeah, okay, the language feature is the same, yeah. Use verb to atau past simple ya. And how about social function? The first text is To
Give entertainment for the reader.
give entertainment for the reader. How about the second? Same? Other group maybe have different answer? No, yeah, to entertain, yeah. Okay, good. And then how about the structure text? Same? Contents of
Orientation, complication, resolution,
reorientation. Okay, good. Grup lain sama? Ada yang beda pendapat? Same? Okay, good. Yeah. Next, number 4. Group read, answer. Read louder the question and answer it. 1, 2, 3.
Mention the characters and characterization from the textbook.
Oke. Karakternya siapa aja?
Hare and tortoise.
Hare and tortoise. How about the characterization? Wataknya bagaimana?
Hare is cunning,
Mhm.
nervous, and arrogant.
Oke, and then
Tortoise is slow-running, steady, and patient.
oke, very good. Oke, how about the other group? Ada pendapat lain? Setuju dengan jawaban grup red? Setuju. Oke. Ini sudah ya tadi ya? Yang belum grupnya siapa? Oke. Number 5. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, it's the orientation of
Iya. Paragraf reorientation the story yang mana?
after that, he always reminded himself, don't brag about your lightning pace.
Oke, ya.
And then he wonders.
Oke, good. Nah, ada yang lain? No. Oke. Is that easy for you? Easy? So easy. So. Okay. So far so good? So far so good? Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
I think you have no question ya? For LKPD, ada pertanyaan? No. Okay. If there is no more question for LKPD, now the jumble text tadi yang sudah kalian dapat, kalian coba susun di sini, ya. Nah, each of the group ya, each group find your story here ya. Halo. Oke. In this board ya, di sini Ustazah sudah menempel title of the story. Nah, cerita yang kalian dapat tadi kira-kira masuk ke yang judulnya yang mana? Clear? And then you try to rearrange. Kalian susun mana paragraf orientationnya, kemudian conflict, climax, anti-climax, resolution, and reorientation. Clear? Okay, come on, from group apa ini? Green. Yo, make it fast. You choose which one. And this is the glue. Ya, ditempel ujungnya aja ya, yang dilem ya, yang di glue ya. Okay, I will take it another one. Nah, this one. Nah. Okay. The other. Okay, good. Ini kurang. Pakai double tape? Oke, ada double tape ya. Where is the double tape ya? Double tape, double tape. Yeah, this is the double tape. This one, you need double tape? Yeah. Come on, the other group. Yellow group, come on. Come forward. Nah, dikasih ini biar cepet nempelnya. Gak apa-apa. Ditempel di ujung-ujungnya ya.
Ujung-ujung mana ini?
Iya.
Lagi. Di tengah.
Di pinggir aja.
Pinggir-pinggir ya nanti.
Ya Allah. Ya oke. Oke, this is yellow group ya. You may put this one. Ya nanti tinggal tempel-tempel. You may help. Iya, di pinggir aja. Di kleteknya nanti aja.
ASMR.
Okay, for preparation, brown group, please come forward. You? Yeah. The other group who has done, you may sit back to your chair. Need more? Ya. Have you find the title? Sudah ketemu judulnya? Oke. Dua. Ya. On the both side.
Paling bawah.
Ya, please.
Ini 5.
The brown group.
Apa yang mana? Ini apa ya?
Yuk, Anin, come on. Paragraph 1, 2.
Tahu.
Come on, red group. Ini dulu. Have you found the title?
Wait. Coba duduk sini.
This one, enggak?
Udah PW.
Okay.
Buka baju gimana kalau gini lah.
2. Anissa Khairu, you need to double tap. Iya.
Ya kerudungnya itu kebuka.
Okay. Ya. Okay. Finish? Yeah, you may back to your chair. You need double tape? Okay. You need more double tape? Okay, you just glue. Pakai perasaan banget ya nih. Grup green sudah, yellow sudah, brown sudah, pink ya. Yo, come on pink. Wait ya. Anin, what happened? Ya, okay, you may back to your chair. Anissa. Aisyah, sorry, Aisyah Rahma. Anissa Rahma. Okay, thank you. Then Anissa. Yuk, Anin, where is Anin? Okay, ya. Letter ya, Anin. Finish? Ya, oke. Good. It's okay. Yeah. This is sticky note. Later on I will tell you. Okay, good ya. Pak first story Telaga Warna. Okay. Toba Lake, Malin Kundang, bawang merah, bawang putih, Suro and Boyo, and Crying Stone. And then this project, what's that? Story, yeah. This story will be discussed more for the next meeting. Yeah. Now I will deliver sticky note for you. This is for doing reflection of the learning today. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Oke, yellow group ya? Belum ya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oke, share to your members. Okay, now what we have learned today?
Narrative text.
Narrative text. Okay, what is the social function? To entertain ya, by the story. Okay, good. And then adapun tujuan lainnya adalah terkait dengan pesan yang didapat ya. Oke, then the structure text, ada paragraf apa aja? Orientation, complication, resolution, reorientation. Oke, terus paragraf complication tadi ada climax, anti climax ya. Oke, good. Then the last one, mention the kind of narrative text. Contoh jenis naratif teks tadi apa aja? Contohnya, Malin Kundang termasuk apa? Malin Kundang?
Fable.
Malin Kundang fable? Nah, apa ayo? Folklore ya. Dan contoh lain ada fable. What else? Fairy tale. And then history, science, fiction. What else? If this is about part of story of you, namanya apa? Slice of life. Yeah, okay. Now that's what we have learned today. And then on your hand there is sticky note. I want you to write down how do you feel about the learning today. Apa yang kalian rasakan dari pembelajaran hari ini? Are you happy or are you sad ya? Kalian suka, senang atau sedih? Ya. What we have learned tadi ya, how do you feel? Do you enjoy the learning?
Happy.
Yeah, are you happy? Yeah, you write it ya. And then do you like of working in group? Nah, tulis jawabanmu jujur ya. Based on your feeling from your deepest heart, dari hati kalian terdalam. Number 3, what should be improved in the learning today? Apa yang harus ditingkatkan? Contoh pada bagian diskusinya kurang banyak waktunya. Nah, pada pembahasan AKPD, pada apa tadi ya? Bagian opening dan lain sebagainya. Terus write your answer in the sticky note ya. Come on, make it fast. Yang sudah bisa dikumpulkan ke Ustada. Don't need to write your name. Tidak perlu menuliskan nama ya. Biar kalian jujur apa adanya ya. Ya. Yang sudah bisa dikumpulkan, come on. Wanda finish. Okay, thank you. Next. Yang sudah boleh dikumpulkan? Oke. How do you feel? I feel happy, I feel bored, and something else, ya. Terus, do you like of working in group? Do you like of working in group? Kalian seneng gak bekerja secara kelompok seperti ini, ya? Kalau iya berarti yes, no, no, ya. What should be improved, ya? Apa yang harus ditingkatkan? Sorry ya, this is Miss typing typo should be improved. Ya, it's Miss D. Ya. Yuk, time's up. Okay, thank you. Okay, come on. Come here. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Come on, come on. Thank you. Yuk, time's up. Waktu sudah habis, kumpulkan yuk. Ya, oke.
Sudah panas apa ya, Us?
Ya, wait. Yuk. Oke, the leader of the group, you may ask your friends to pray. Yo, get your friend ready to pray. Get your friend ready to pray. Come on. Taman watoan. Ya, come on. Waktunya sudah habis. Dikumpulkan reflectionnya. Lah baik. Wait, Fatma. Yo. Come on. It's okay, Mbak Anissa. Just give me your reflection. Ya. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, thanks. Yeah, okay. Once again, thank you for your reflection. This is very useful for me, yeah. Big applause for you all. Okay, yeah. If there is no more question, let's get pray for today, yeah. Fatma, please lead your friends. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Remember, for next meeting you will make that story ya into something like summary ya. Kalian akan membuat rangkuman dari cerita yang tadi kalian susun. After that, setelah dibuat rangkumannya, you present it in front of the class. Clear? It should speak up at least 3 or 4 sentences. Ya, setiap siswa harus berbicara menyampaikan 3 atau 4 kalimat. Jadi besok membuat rangkumannya terdiri dari, for example, 3 kalimat semua ya. So there will be 15 sentences. Clear? Clear, yeah. Okay, it was nice to be with you. Thank you so much for your attention. See you next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. You're welcome.